Is your job literally killing you? And can an online business be the cure? Studies show that long hours, a lack of decision making, and unstable health insurance are lowering your overall life expectancy. Think about it. Do you get to take care of your body by working out and eating well? Or do you not have the time or energy to do those things because of work? It's a simple question, but most people, including myself, struggle to do those things to stay healthy because of how much time gets taken away from us because of work. And what if you did have time to work out and eat healthy? Now, I know you don't leave work early to do those things. So what are you sacrificing to stay healthy? Maybe you're sacrificing the time with your kids so they see you less. Maybe quality time with your spouse. Maybe it's sacrificing the things you enjoy doing. Or maybe it's all of the above. Now, I think most of you can agree with me that your job isn't interested in a work-life balance. It's almost always work comes first, and if you don't like it, then find another job. Now, I'm not sure about you, but I don't want to care about a company that doesn't care about my health, my happiness, and my time. And the realization that if I had to do this for the next 30 years of my life, it literally makes me feel sick just thinking about it. So I started to look for other options. And one thing kept coming up: online business. Could an online business be the cure? So I started to dig and found out that you could learn to build automated systems online that can sell things 24/7 even while you're sleeping. And it started to answer all my questions. It didn't take a lot of capital. It could give me the free time I needed to look after my health. It could give me the time to spend with my family, and added bonuses. I could work from anywhere. I didn't have to commute every single day, and all I needed was an internet connection. Although this sounded like a great idea, I didn't want to quit my job to start an online business, because what if I failed? And what would people think of me if I lost my secure job to pursue a dream? But I kept digging and saw that I could learn the skills around my day job. And while watching one of my mentors, he said something that shocked me to my core. The true essence of failure is being stuck in a job you hate with no meaning or fulfillment. Just think about that for a moment. But I thought starting an online business would be technical as hell. That's just not the case anymore. There are incredible platforms out there that simplify the entire process. It's not numbers and coding like I initially thought it would be. Now, I'm partnered with an amazing company that showed me the exact steps to take to use those platforms correctly. When I first came across this company, they sent me a free workshop video series that got me started. And when you click the link somewhere on screen and enter your name and email address, I'm going to send you those same workshop video series straight to your email inbox. And it is completely free. Now, of course, I was skeptical at first, but I watched the free workshop video series and judged for myself. It was very clear to me that this company had been helping thousands of people create the lives they wanted. And if you're interested, I'm going to send you free content of my online business journey, along with other active members of this community. And now, I just want to congratulate you on making it this far in the video, because that tells me you're quite serious about wanting to change your life. So you know what to do. Click the link, enter your contact details, and I'll have those videos flying your way so you can get started. I will see you in your emails.